Hey guys, it's Leah. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be prepping for school as a homeschooler, so homeschool edition. In this video I'm going to be unboxing, cleaning my room, organizing my school supplies, designing my weekly planner so I can organize all of my school stuff and know what I'm going to be doing each day. Also, I'm going to create a new motivation wall so I have these photos above my desk and restock my snacks. Let's get right into the video, starting off with an unboxing. Okay, moving on to the little haul section of this video. I have 4 things that I'm just gonna open because I got a little package in the mail. Okay, starting off, we have these blue light glasses. So, we have this little random blue light testing card. It came with other stuff, but I already had opened this. So here are the glasses. I also have these ones in clear, but it also comes with a little bag. Okay, moving on to the next thing. This is not really school related. This is like kind of random, but also it could be used for school. It's an electric candle lighter. It also tells me to open it right here because of course last time I couldn't figure out how to open the box. Guys, I don't know how to open a box. You have a cord, you have a user manual. Here's the actual lighter. I like want to test this, but I'm like low-key kind of scared. I'm like literally gonna scream. Oh my gosh! Okay, so it's kind of loud, but I like how you can't press the button and start it without opening it up. So that's good. This is not school related, but I got some new goggles for swimming. As you guys know, I'm a swimmer. So I'm just gonna like... It has extra nice pieces, instructions, and then the goggles. I got them in blue this time. I have them also have them in black, like the same goggles. Now for the big thing that I bought. So I'm gonna move over to my floor because I cannot lift it up onto my bed. The next thing I got was a desk chair because I'm literally using a foldable metal chair. So uncomfortable while doing my schoolwork. So I'm gonna move onto the floor and build it. Okay, so I did my unboxing, and yes, I know I was never in different clothes. I filmed the unboxing section a couple days ago, and I'm so happy with how my chair is. I'll put the link down in the description if you want to get the same chair. It also wasn't too expensive. I feel like it was a good price. Here's the chair, and I love it so much. And you can see this mess and disorganization. Here's school stuff over here. And then we have all of this stuff under my desk. It's a literal mess. Also, look at my desk, my floor. Literally everything's a giant disaster. Okay, so here's the current state of my desk. We have to have a little new organizational method over there because it's kind of just a big mess of stuff, and it's not currently organized right now because I took a lot of the stuff out and I used some of the stuff up. For my bins of school supplies, we have this one. I want to keep this method, but I want to like reorganize everything. And then I have the bottom one for like, so let's go through everything. So here's all my stuff. Half of these bins are actually empty, so that's good. And now we can actually organize my stuff. There is some things that I want to add to my 2 drawers, and I also want to go through this stuff and just like restock a ton of stuff because just look at this, it's a disaster. Okay, so I finished like organizing all of my stuff. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour before I put it in my drawers. So this is like mechanical pencils. They're all of the Papermate mechanical pencils, clear points. I really love these ones and I recommend these ones. These are my favorite mechanical pencils. These are gel pens. I like to make them, like use them to make cute notes and stuff. These are just pens, all sorts of pens. This is highlighters and permanent markers. Scissors. This is just a bin of random stuff. We have fidget toy, heart, flash drive, stuff like that. Erasers, markers, pencils. These are like for my Bible pens, highlighters. These are just extras from my pack. And now I'm going to be choosing what I want to put in each thing. Now I'm gonna work on my little section that I keep at my desk. This is what I keep at my desk. We have a candle right here, and then, let me fix my ring light. And then I used to have like a jar of pencils and stuff. Wait. There we go. We'll keep those pencils there. So this is more organized. So this is also really not organized. We have a protractor, which I don't even know if I need this year. And then I have all of this random stuff. Actually, I think I might need the protractor this year. I don't know. So we need to clear this out because it's a disaster. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is making a weekly school planner. So I think I'm just going to open up on Canva like a planner so I can write down what I'm going to be doing each week. So here's the planner that I came up with. I'm really like how it turned out. So essentially, it's pretty self-explanatory, but you just have the date. You write your schoolwork and then what you have for each day, then you can just cross it off because I love crossing things off. That's why it's going to be a printable and not a online version. And if you want to print it out, I guess I'll put it down in the description box if you want to print it. And we can move on to the next thing. The next thing I'm going to do is find some new pages for my focus wall. So I'm going to go on Pinterest and print some new photos. I got my photos. I really love how they turned out. I think they look really cute. This one and these. I think that's really cute to go on my mirror. So I'm gonna cut these out and I'm gonna light a candle and we will get right to work. Here's how it turned out. I think it looks so good. Like with all of them, you can't really tell that they were printed at different times. All of these photos were found on Pinterest, as you guys just saw. My candle also smells so good. I don't really know where it's from, but I need to hang up these photos above my bed. Let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so now I need to restock my little snack fridge. It used to be for skincare, and sometimes they still put stuff in here, but it's currently not plugged in right now. Right now, there's just water bottles, which I do not drink that water, and then this empty container, which I need to refill with like lollipops or something. But I have this Lindsay bar, which I don't actually like these, so let's restock it, the fridge, and make it cute. First, I'm gonna add these chocolate peanut butter energy bar. I wanna add some applesauces because it's healthy. I'm gonna add some of these and a Belvita. So that's what I'm gonna add right now, and then I'll add some more stuff later. Here's how it turned out. It's actually a couple days later because I'm just now editing the video and realized that all of my other footage deleted because my camera SD card ran out of storage. So here it is. We have applesauce, that bar that I don't really like, but I'm gonna keep it here just in case if I want it. Belvita, energy bars, trail mix, Tootsie Roll, and these waters. So that's what's in here. Okay, so that is going to be the end of my back to school reset, prepping for back to school. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification bell, and you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I post every Sundays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!